LF communication using Murata's LF antennas. Usage examples of stable, accurate wireless communication using magnetic fields. Let's take a look at 3D position measurement. The mechanism of 3D position measurement using LF communication involves using 3 transmitting antennas to enable accurate position information and height detection through triangulation. As shown in the demo, this technology accurately measures the position on the XY plane and the height on the Z-axis. Utilizing this accurate position detection technology expands the following fields. Automatic navigation. For example, please take a look at this demo in which a drone is landed at a precise position. This technology is extremely useful in improving the accuracy of the autopilot. It can also be utilized in AGV and AMR control. Motion capture. We mount receiving tags to both ends of a rod. We then set the upper receiving antenna so that a saber is displayed. As you can see, we can accurately measure the position of the receiving tags in the space. This technology can also be applied to motion capture and similar applications. Installation is easy because you do not need to install a camera or wear a bodysuit. It is possible to trace various movements without blind spots because this technology does not use a camera for position detection. The capture targets can also be increased. It is possible to accurately measure the position of even fast movements, as you can see. This technology does not exhibit the drift phenomenon that you see with IMU sensors. Highly accurate position detection technology using LF communication is expected to be applied to various fields, in addition to 3D position measurement. Please feel free to contact us for inquiries and details about Murata's LF antennas.